Hello coders, welcome to Fast Coder 21 free medical coding YouTube channel. So today our topic name is very important announcement for CPC, CIC, CCS certified freshers. So in this session you are going to learn how to join in the on-the-job training of Ip-Drg coding, what is the duration, what is the qualification criteria and what is the fee structure. So basically, this training is related to inpatient Ip-Drg on-the-job training. So here on-the-job training means based on the client requirement, based on the client guidelines, you will learn the Ip-Drg coding using softwares. So this training has demo and training starts on September 1st, 2023. So basically here we are going to give priority to first 50 coders who will enroll in this training session. As it is a on the job training, there is a process of or vigorous filtering. So based on the company requirement only, we will absorb into this training. So what is the duration of this training? So basically this training is like 30 to 40 days on Monday to Friday like 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. IST. So what is the benefits of this training? So basically in this training we are going to learn inpatient secret related to ICD-10, CM and PCS. As all of us know, inpatient coding contains ICD-10, CM and PCS as CPT is related to outpatient coding. Here you are not going to learn CPT, you are going to learn only ICD-10, CM and PCS. So what is the eligible criteria in order to undergo this training or to join in this training? So in order to join in this training, you must be CPC, CIC, CCS certified and you need to clear the mandatory assessment by the company before providing the opportunity to join with this company. So if you passed in those mandatory assessments only, you can get the company job. And what is the interview process here? So basically this interview process is offline. So this interview will be face-to-face interview. So next, fee. So for this training, we are fixed 8,000 as the fee. So this also you need to pay in two terms. First term is before starting the training and second term is after joining the receiving receiving the offer letter. So initially you need to pay 4,000. So after receiving the offer letter you need to pay 4,000. So if anyone interested to join in this training, if you are say like qualified using CPC, CIC, CCS, just send your name, certification name, mobile number to vincentmedicalcoder@gmail.com. So we will send the remaining training demo session link as well as the training live link. Please share this thing to your friends as which is on the job training. You will get good exposure on Ip-Drg training. So happy coding guys.